Welcome sa zip9.com. This video tutuloy natin the anti-series on polynomial functions, no? And sa video na to ay pag-aaralan natin kung paano ba kunin yung zeros ng isang function by factoring, no? So, I think bago nyo ma-master itong skill na ito ay dapat marunong na kayo mag-factor ng mga polynomials, no? So, dapat ay pwede nyong panoorin yung ating series on factoring polynomials para mas lalo nyo maintindihan yung process nito. Kasi ito konti lang yung example ko dito. So here, may mga polynomials na madaling i-factor, no? Katulad nito. So, we have 4x cubed. This is f of x equals 4x cubed minus 4x squared minus 8. So, kung makikita ninyo, ang 4, 4, 8, ang greatest common factor niya ay 8. No? So, pwede natin ilabas yung 4. No? Sorry, nakalimutan natin yung x dito. So, pwede natin ilabas yung 4 at lahat sila may x. No? Yung sa variable naman, pag nag-factor out tayo, ang ma-factor natin, yung greatest common factor niya is yung variable na may pinakamaliit na exponent na common dun sa lahat ng terms. So, x, common siya lahat ng terms. Ang may pinakamaliit na exponent ay itong x. Okay? So, anong nasa loob? 4x times something is 4x cubed. Diba? So, x, diba? 4x times x is 4x cubed. Pinakamadali, sorry, x squared pala. Ang pinakamadali is we divide this by this. So, 4x cubed divided by 4x is equal to x squared. And then minus dito sa loob. Next, we have 4x squared divided by 4x. Diba x? 4x times x is 4x squared. And then minus again, 8x divided by 4x is equal to 2. No? So, pwede pa ba yan? Ang una mong tanong pag na-factor mo na yung isang polynomial is, pwede pa ba yan? No? So, kailangan kasi naka-factor out siya completely. So, 4x, pwede yan, ano? Anong factors ng 2? Di ba yung pinakalas yung product natin? So, negative 2 yan, meaning plus negative 2. No? Minus 2 means negative 2. No? So, anong posibleng factors niyan? Positive 2, tsaka negative 1, tsaka negative 2, 1. So, positive 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Negative 2 times positive 1 is negative 2. Pero yung pinakagitna, sum niya is negative 1. So, I think this is it. X minus 2 times x plus 1. So, kaya siya naging ganito kasi ang sum niya ay negative 1. No? So, pag pinlas natin yan, negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1, which is yun yung pinakagitna niya. So, negative 1x. So, kung ibabalik mo yan, kung i-distribute mo yan ulit, magiging ganito siya. Okay? So, that is our f of x. Now, it factored completely na itong polynomial na ito. So, what we do is we equate it by 0, no? Kasi we want the zeros, meaning, kailan naging 0 yung polynomial, no? So, 4x times x minus 2 x plus 1 is equal to 0. Magiging 0 yan. We will set f of x to 0, no? Pinaliktad lang natin, nilagay natin dito sa kanan, tapos itong expression na ito, nilagay natin sa kaliwa. But since equation siya, pwede naman yung baliktaran, di ba? Okay, so, kailan siya magiging 0? If one of them is 0, so it's either 4x equals 0, x minus 2 equals 0, or x plus 1 equals 0. So, kahit saan niya sa tatlong yan maging 0, 0 na yung buong expression. So, here we have x equals 0. 4 times 0 is 0. Here we have x equals 2. And here we have x equals negative 1. Meaning, these are the zeros of f of x equals 4x cubed minus 4x squared minus 8x. Ibig sabihin, ang graph niyan, nagpa-pass through siya sa x equals 0, x equals 2, and x equals negative 1. Tignan natin yung graph. Okay, so anong graph niya? That's 4x. That is f of x equals 4x cubed minus 4x squared minus 8x. Saan daw siya dadaan? Dadaan siya sa 0. Then sa 0, 2, and negative 1 ng x-axis. 0, 2, and negative 1. Dadaan siya dito sa tatlong points na ito dito. Lagay na siguro natin para kita natin. Dito sa negative 1, dito sa 0, at saka sa, is it 2? 0, negative 1, and 2. So, dadaan siya sa mga points na yan. Okay. Enter nga natin. Okay, so yan yung ating graph. No? Yan yung graph ng ating function. So, pwede natin i-zoom out para kita natin yung itsura. So, ganyan siya. Okay, so I hope meron kayo natutunan dito. I think this is just simple factoring and makuha nyo yung skill na yan by practicing. No? So maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.